Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello my dear students, how are you all? Hope all is well with your friends and family. Welcome to today's biology online class. Before starting my today's lecture, I would like to introduce myself. It is Shapin Shupriti, lecturer, Department of Biology. Today, I am going to start a new chapter from your biology book. Our today's chapter is chapter 3. Okay, let's see what are the today's topics. Dear students, our today's topics is from chapter 3, cell division. Let's see what are the today's learning objectives. Cell division, types of cell division, mitosis cell division, stages of mitosis cell division. Okay, every living body is a cell or cells. Life of every organism starts with a single cell. The increase of cells in number through division is very natural and important feature. Unicellular organisms. The body of some organisms is composed of a single cell. They are called unicellular organisms such as bacteria, plasmodium, amoebas, etc. Multicellular organisms. Some organisms are composed of more than one cell. They are called multicellular organisms such as humans, mango and banyan trees, etc. Cells divide through the process of cell division for the growth and reproduction of organisms. Let's see the types of cell division. There are three types of cell division take place in living body. Number 1, amitosis cell division. Number 2, mitosis cell division. And number 3, meiosis cell division. Now let's see what is amitosis cell division. In this division, the nucleus of a cell divides directly into two parts. At the beginning of division, the nucleus elongates with two larger rounded ends and little narrow middle part. There is a figure we can see there are stages in amitosis cell division. First we can see parent cell, and after then the stage is karyokinesis, and then cytokinesis, and last is cell partition. Okay, the middle part of the nucleus narrowing continuously, one splits into two daughter nuclei. Cell of the cell pinching inward divides the cytoplasm of it into two parts, and ultimately two daughter cells are produced. Example, bacteria, blue-green algae, yeast, etc. Now let's see what is mitosis cell division. Our today's main topic is mitosis cell division, and we will see the stages of mitosis cell division. Through this process of division, an eukaryotic cells stage by stage divides into two identical daughter cells. In this process, nucleus and chromosomes are divided only once, and two identical daughter cells are produced with the same type of chromosomes in number, physical and structural features as their mother cell contains. Mitosis occurs in somatic cells, and through this division, as the number of cells increases, the plants and animals grow in length and breadth. The process usually takes place in the body cells of animals and in the meristems of the plant parts growing, such as the tip of stems and roots, primarily radicle, developing leaves, buds, etc. Now let's see the stages of mitosis cell division, and this is very important topics for this chapter, and you must study these topics very seriously and carefully, attentively. The cell division mitosis is a continuous process. During mitosis, karyokinesis is easily followed by cytokinesis. Karyokinesis and cytokinesis represent the division of nucleus and the division of cytoplasm respectively. Before the starting of the cell division, a cell has to prepare itself. This stage is called interphase. The process mitosis can be divided into 5 stages. They are: number 1, prophase; number 2, prometaphase; number 3, metaphase; number 4, anaphase; number 5, telophase. Let's see prophase stage and its characteristics. This is the first stage of mitosis. At the onset of the stage, nucleus becomes little larger and chromatin fibers start condensing into short, thick and tightly coiled structures called chromosomes. We can see this in the figure, early prophase stage and late prophase stage. This stage, chromosome can be seen under compound microscope. So every chromosome then divides into two sister chromatids at the centromere, each one remains together. Number 2, prometaphase. At the very early of the stage, spindle apparatus having two poles is developed in plant cells from fiber protein. The middle plane of the spindle apparatus is called equator. Spindle fibers are stretched from one pole to other. They are called spindle fibers. That we can see in this figure. Kinetochores are protein structures assembled on centromeres and link the chromosomes with mitotic spindles. These fibers are called traction fiber or chromosomal fiber. Chromosomes then start assembling on the equational plane. In animal cells, spindle apparatus is developed from centrioles, and the centrioles remain in two poles with astral rays spreading round of them. Number 3, metaphase. Let's see the metaphase stages characteristics. At the onset of a stage, all the chromosomes complete their assembling at the equator middle plane from the two poles. The centromere of each chromosome remains on the equator, but the two arms take position towards the poles. That we can see in the figure. In this figure, first one is plant cell and second one is animal cell. In this stage, chromosomes look most short and thick. Attraction between chromatids decline and repulsion increases. At the late of the stage, division of centromere starts. Nuclear membrane and nucleus disappear completely. Number 4, anaphase. The sister chromatids become the two sister chromosomes and they are pulled apart. The cleaved centromere moves fast to the pole while the chromatids trail behind. There is a plant cell. We can see anaphase stage in plant cell and anaphase stage in animal cell. Second one is animal cell and first one is plant cell. Each chromosome splitting into two moves to two poles, and so the number of chromosome remains unchanged. On the position of centromere in the chromosome look V, J, L or I-shaped, and then these chromosomes are called metacentric, submetacentric, acrocentric and telocentric respectively. Last stage is telophase. It is the last stage of mitosis and a reversal of prophase. Chromosomes being decondensed and surrounded by new nuclei elongate back into thin and long structures called chromatin fibers. Nucleus also repair. So ultimately two new nuclei are formed in two poles. The spindle apparatus is disintegrated and so spindle fibers gradually disappear. We can see the stage of telophase, plant cell and animal cell. At the end of the telophase, some small parts from endoplasmic reticulum aggregate in the equatorial plane and collectively from the structure cell plate. Equal distribution of cytoplasmic organelles is accomplished. As a result, two identical daughter cells are developed. In case of animal cell, a contractile ring on the plasma membrane at the equatorial plane pinches off the two nuclei. Okay, let's see the SW for your next day. What is meant by cell division? What do you mean by amitosis cell division? Describe the stages of mitosis cell division. Dear students, that was our biology class from chapter 3. You must submit your SW to your subject teacher. Okay, see you again. Be healthy and be good. Allah Hafiz.